Hi, welcome to Juice Bar. Today we're gonna mix a Black Sabbath. Dum, 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 dum. So today I'm gonna mix a Black Sabbath. There are a few recipes for different cocktails, all called Black Sabbath online, of course. Black Sabbath being the founders of heavy metal and one of the greatest bands of all time. This particular one I found on D4 and it comes from Alex Smith at Honor Kitchen and Cocktails, Emeryville, California. Let's get down to mixing this. Let's start with a dash of orange bitters. I'm using orange bitters from Scrappy's, which are actually bitter. I hope that will work out. And then we go on with half a teaspoon of Absinthe. And I'm using this standard Pernod Absinthe. Oh, that's a lot. That's a full spoon. So I'm gonna do like this. Then we go on with Averna Amaro, which is the most popular Amaro in Italy. It's really standard. Run of the middle anything. Run of the middle alcoholic content, run of the middle sweetness. Anyway, we are gonna use 22.5 milliliter of this really popular and really dark colored Amaro. I guess that's what is gonna give this cocktail Black Sabbath its black name. It's 29% ABV. By the way, Pernod was 68% ABV. And then we finish with the Islay Scotch Peated Whiskey. The website, which is D4, suggests a Lagavulin. The original recipe was calling for Lafroig, and I'm like, what the hell, I have this Kiloman I need to finish. Let's try to finish this. Kiloman, it's relatively newcomer to the Islay whiskey. This is super peated. The Makir Bay, it's their most basic product, but it's really good. And when you need a peat, these things deliver. I use it already many times in my cocktails. I don't reach for it that often, or like I would say never, to drink neat, just because I have more complex options in my bar. But as a standard basic Islay peated whiskey, this is great. Also great for the price. Anyway, now that we have all of our ingredients in our mixing glass, let's get some ice. And while we stir this cocktail, we will try to answer the age-old question. Which one is the better album by Black Sabbath? Will it be Paranoid or Master of Reality? And to me that question is kinda impossible to answer, to tell you the truth. They are both so great. They are actually really different. Paranoid still having more have to do with blues and earlier hard rock bands, while Master of Reality really projecting forward towards what will become the whole heavy metal movement and doom especially. But hey, this cocktail is already ready, so I'm gonna go on with that discussion after the credits of this video. So now let's strain our cocktail. I hope it's gonna fit in this small cocktail glass. It should, by my calculation. Let's see. Yes, it does. Let's finish by expressing some orange peel. So here is a Black Sabbath. Cheers. Actually, the orange peel expression almost killed all of the pittiness of the cocktail, which was really pronounced before.
10 seconds later.
Now it's mixing perfectly. Orange peel plus peat from Isla whiskey. Smells pretty good. Ooh, wow, nice. Nice. Well, the orange peel really did its job. This is extremely good. I really can see how the absinthe and the orange bitters are essential, because otherwise it would be too plain of a flavor. The Averna is kind of subtle compared to the Kiloman peated whiskey, and it's moving out the bottom bitter part of the cocktail. And you also provide the tiny bit of sweetness that otherwise we would lack. Oh, I really like this. To me, somehow behind the peat comes up the orange. I know the Averna is based on bitter orange, but usually you don't taste them that much when you just taste Averna. But in this combination of flavors, maybe helped by the dash of orange bitters, oranges come out a lot, and it's really good. Yeah, one word to describe this: peated orange. And it's pretty delicious. It's strong and a bit spicy. The alcoholic content kind of hits you here in the back of your throat, but this is extremely nice. And Kiloman worked out perfectly. Not adding too many layers of complexity, but just the right amount of nice whiskey with a lot of peat. Horns up for this Black Sabbath cocktail. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, share with anybody you like and don't like. Steal yourself a heavy metal based drink, and hopefully I will see you next time. Cheers. So on one side, Paranoid is still in standard tuning, meaning the guitar of Tony Iommi was normal until this point, like tuned like from E to E, and he has such great tunes. I mean, Paranoid, their most popular song probably. War Pigs, the absolute ultimate heavy metal song. Then you have Iron Man, you have Electric Funeral, Hand of Doom, and oh my god, Fairies Wear Boots, which I love. The only probably like kind of like lower moment would be, to me, Rat Salad. It's a so-so drum solo. And what was the other song? Is Planet Caravan on Paranoid? Yeah, Planet Caravan. I guess Planet Caravan for me would be another weaker song, but just because I don't like slow stuff. I've just been to the Pantera reunion concert here in Tokyo, and yeah, they did a cover of Planet Caravan. It just kind of makes me fall asleep. I don't like the thing. It's not bad, but it's just not my thing. On the other side, you have Master of Reality, which is the album that came out after, which is so heavy. Tony Iommi, because he lost, I think, 2 of his phalanges by working in a metal factory. He had a hard time bending the strings, so he decided to down-tune everything. He down-tuned to C sharp, which is a tone and a half below standard tuning. And this gave everything such a darker tone. And on Master of Reality, there isn't a weak song. It's masterpiece after masterpiece. Just the right length, I think it's just slightly over 30 minutes. Into the Void is a masterpiece. Children of the Grave, After Forever. Sweet Leaf, it's one better than the other. I don't know. I love Master of Reality. But still, Paranoid has War Pigs, Fairies Wear Boots, and it's so trippy, the song. But also the last riff is sort of Dun, 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 dun. Impossible question to answer. Is he better paranoid or master of reality? I wouldn't know.